boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much for your support. Thank you for your support of the t-shirts. Thank you for your support of the books. I appreciate it very, very much. Thank you for your support of 30 seconds with the ads. And I need the 30 seconds before and after and all that. You know, we're a real small station, so we have to make up. I was telling you before in other videos, the books. Make money online with cannabis stocks. There's all kinds of the largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world. You can get marijuana today, vanadium, uranium tomorrow. Promising medical and marijuana CBD treatments. The African marijuana gold mine. How to make money online with cannabis stock. There's several books out there. There's new books coming out, my friends. The new books coming out. One is going to be based on how to start a marijuana investment club. That's going to be an interesting book. You know, investment clubs, you know, you got to kind of be conservative. You got to, when I say be conservative, I'm talking mainly ETFs and all. But yeah, I'll be doing a show on that pretty soon, my friends. Also, investing at any age, start early or catch a mega trend is out there also. Mickey D, Amazon.com. You can get the audiobooks, the paperback books, or the ebooks, my friends. Like I said, thank you very, very much. If you have time and you can throw a, you know, if you've benefited in any way, shape, or form from the books or anything, if you have anything to say, you can just say it in a and give a review of one of the books if you have time and if that's your desire. However you want to do it, my friends. It all helps the station. Even when you listen to 30 seconds of one of the ads, that helps the station. It all helps. We're a small station, like I said, so we have to like help one another type deal. You guys got to keep me afloat here because I'm you know, the summer's been really rough. We're talking July, August, June, July. Been really kind of really slow months in this business, my friends. Anyway, hey, tonight, that's enough begging on my part, huh? Let's have some fun tonight, my friends. Tonight I want to talk about some of the analyst price targets. You know, a lot of times these guys are, you know, these analysts, you know, a guy gets out of school or what have you. He gets his Series 6, 7, what have you, and he wants to kind of make a name for himself or herself. And so they, you know, they do some research and they put a big price target or a little price target, and they tell you, you know, where a company might be going here. Most of them are like the next 6 months out or the next year out, right? And it's kind of tough putting yourself out there sometimes because I do it in the books. You know, I do it in the books. I say, you know, take a look at this stock, take a look at that stock. You know, I have no idea that you know, IIPR, you know, I'm telling you about it at $17 and it goes up to, you know, $130, $135. Or I tell you about any type of little stock. I tell you about a stock that's not even out there yet. You know, like Charlotte's Web. You know, we're talking about the concept of strains being combined and all. And it's really difficult, though, when you put yourself out there and people have to really judge your work and judge some. You look at some of my prior videos, you know, I'll tell you about a company and then management blows up the company. And then you look at me like, you know, Mickey D, you still, you know, I know you're laughing at me. You still like that company, man. It's, you know, 50 cents now. It was $5. You know, sometimes management will blow up the company and there's really nothing you can do. You know, there's nothing I can do if management blows up the company. But I want to talk about, this is a Seaport Global analyst, Brett Hundley. Now, he's a good analyst. He's done a lot of good work in the past. And Brett's a good guy. But let's see how well so we're talking about 5 months ago or so is what we're talking about. So we'll see how he you know, the market's gone up, the market's gone down. Market's gone. Usually if you know how we do it on the scoop. Scoops for your education and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. My friends, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board. On the Scoop, we just try and get you in as early as possible. The sooner, the better. When we see there's something good, when there's some fruit on that level there, that end, we try and get in as soon as we can, my friends. But let's do it. These all based on USD dollars, US dollars, and let's take a look at some of his picks here. And he came out. This is, like I said, it's about 5 months ago or so. Some things have been adjusted here and there. Let's just take a look. Let's take a look. So the first stock we'll look at is Acrgf Holdings. Now, as you know, Canopy and Acreage, a deal, what have you. You know, there was that talk and stuff. So naturally, it would have a pretty high price target. Well, Acreage USD, analyst Brett Hundley, $42 is the Acrgf. That's the price target for Acreage. Acreage is trading today at $10.10. So in order to get to 42, it's got a lot of work to do, my friends. A lot of work to do. A lot of work to do with Acreage. Let's go to the next one. What about Alphria? Alphria, he said it would be $18 in 6 months to a year. Alphria is $6.22. So it's got a little way to go also. What about Curlf? Now, Curlf has been a darling of the U.S. They've got a lot of, dispensaries, and they're buying. They got their wallet out. We've gone to them, several times, and we've brought reports from. They look like they're going to be on the up and up. They're going, and he had a price target of $10 on Curlf, and it's currently $6.76. So this is August 17th now, as I'm giving you these prices, my friends. And we're just having a little fun. It's Saturday night, and we're just looking at price targets and just having a little fun with it, okay? Because anybody can look back and play Monday morning quarterback and say, hey, this like this stock, like maybe you like it now at these lower prices. But let's go on. Green Thumb Industries. We've gone to Green Thumb Industries several times. We've gone to their locations, and we think that's a good company out of not Chicago, out of Illinois area there. We think they're a really, really good company. Got a price target of $16 on them, and they're currently at $8.67. So they have a little work to do also. Next company we'll look at, Hexo. And of course, most of these companies I have owned, or full disclosure, we do own, or we have owned here in the last year, I would say. And most of them we own a little bit right now, but not big time on any of these. That's my disclosure to you. Hexo, we're looking at a $12 price target, and Hexo now is $4.44. So it's got a little way to go also. Ianthus, multi-state operator Ianthus, $11 price target. It's $2.54. So Ianthus has a little way to go also. Kshb Holdings. Kshb has applied for the NASDAQ, and we thought that they were a shoo-in basically to get that, and I could see why he would put a $10 price target on Kshb Holdings. It's currently $4.39, so it has a little way to go. Oh, this next one here is my whipping child, MedMen. It's been all of our whipping child. It's up and down, up and down, up and down. Had a price target of $7 on MedMen. There's a lot of $7 price targets out there on MedMen, $6, $5 here recently. $7. It's currently trading at $1.93. So it's got a way to go also. Last but not least, we're talking about Tgod, the Green Organic Dutchman. There was a $10 price target on the Green Organic Dutchman. It's currently trading at $2.39. Now, most of these stocks we'll get to these price points sometime or another. That's kind of the projection from analyst Brett Hundley. Now, they may go down a little bit, but sooner or later, they're anticipated in the next year or so to hit these targets. You know, right now, with the market going down like it is, they're way off. So a lot of times we see these price targets and we base sometimes our decision, which is an emotional decision. You see, oh, it's $10 now and the analyst says it's going to be over 40. I'll get some. Well, that same $10 stock can go to zero also. So, my friends, take this with a grain of salt. Analyst price targets are good, but you got to do your research and you got to look at the stock, and you definitely want to get in there as early as you can, as soon as possible. That's my advice to you. That's what we do on The Scoop. We get you in as early as possible. Those baby knockouts, those billion-dollar brands, my friends, thoroughly vetted, thoroughly researched, and we get you in when we think it's that time or suitable for you to get in there. After talks with the company, I don't come out with anything unless I've spoken with the company. You guys know that, you know, from my .com days. You guys know, unless I speak with the company, I'm talking about anybody in the company. Sometimes the secretary, anybody. I have to be assured that this company is going to do what they say they're going to do. If they don't and they blow up, oh well. Well, that's going to do it for tonight, my friends. It's been fun. Once again, price targets are just fun to look at, because in my realm of research, they mean absolutely nothing. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Price targets, they don't mean nothing. You know, I have companies right now that I'm focusing on that you give them to some analysts and their price targets will be $30 and $40 and they're 5 cents now. And you give them to others and they'll be worthless, you know, zero. So, you know, some of these companies you just have to wait on. You just have to wait on them. I love companies 5-10 cents that go to $5 or $10. Oh, beautiful. That's a wonderful thing, my friends. Wonderful thing. I've had quite a few of those. We love them. We love them. But stay tuned, and you'll be stay tuned for the next video. Get your fill on tonight of The Scoop, and look forward to more shows, my friends. I have some links for you, like I said, for the books. And take care. God bless you.